Hello, welcome to today's session of our weekly review. It's your boy, EDIKAN, Wex FX Chat. Today, we're just going to be doing very sharply as usual. So, last week analysis, pound dollar, we were anticipating for price to push higher, respecting the supply level, and that is exactly what price did. And this level was being respected. Price that is trading lower. US30, we expected price to push higher. Price actually did push higher, but not to our target. So we are still hanging on for that push to the upside. Gold. Gold perspective, we're looking for price to push higher. All the same, we also recognize this supply level, and that is where price pushed into and started dropping. So which obviously we were still intact in terms of our prediction. Pound dollar played out perfectly. We're expecting sales from this level, and you can see price did exactly as we are projecting, and just right on our target. This happened to be our second target. Price dropped right into our second target. So without wasting much of our time, let's just take a quick look at what we'll be expecting, or what my expectations are for this week. So let's quickly spot some of our areas. So on this particular pair, this is pound AUD on the daily chart. Today I'm going to stay on the daily chart to look at or make our projections. So on the daily chart, we have our demand zone right between 1.8203 and 1.8106 price. That is where we are using or referencing as our demand zone. So what is our expectation right here on pound Australian dollar? Now the price has stepped into our demand zone. So basically we're just expecting price to dip further into the zone, then start creating some rejections and push to the upside. And what is going to be our target? We'll be targeting ultimately for the week at least 1.8414 price level. That is if price is if the expectation pans out, because we are expecting a strong rejection from the zone. So if that holds, then we should see price heading towards 1.8414 price level. That is on the pound Australian dollar. On gold, I'll be expecting price to let's put in our trend line. So we have the same. If you take a keen look at the structure, price is trading lower, and we have this push in structure. So probably considering this, we are likely expecting price to push lower on gold. So let's push higher and see what the weekly has to say. So you can see on the weekly closed bearish. So this area is respected this particular area right here is being respected. So with that being respected, then there's likely that price will be trading lower. Price should be trading lower. So gold, basically, I'll be looking for sales on gold. So on the aggressive side, ultimately, we should be looking at price dropping to 1746 price level, 1746 price level on gold sales. That is going to be my expectation on gold. So what does pound Australian pound USD has for us? So let's quickly take a look at this. So there had been a rejection. You can see the rejection right at that level, 1.3831 price level, and price has been trading lower from that level. What is the expectation? Let's pull in our trend line equally. So when you pick our trend line, price is below the trend line. Now, what is the expectation? The expectation is basically that price should trade higher to give us a retest and then push lower. So trend wise, I'll be looking for sales on pound dollar. So it kind of looks like we are expecting some strength on the USD. We're expecting some strength on the USD. So pound dollar, I'll be looking at for sales on the daily. So US30, you can see price has set up for the bull. So I'm just going to be looking at for the bull continuation. But on the contrary, if price breaks 335,518 price level, then I will shift my bias to the sell side, where I will be targeting 35014 price level. So this is my expectation on US30, and basically let me just go quick through a quick recap. US30, we are looking out for buys, but if price trades lower into breaks 335,518 area or price level, we'll be looking out for price to trade down, trade lower into 35014 price level. That is on US30. Pound or US dollar, I'll be expecting price to trade bearish. So at least first target 1.3569, and ultimately I see price taking out this low at 1.3414 price level. So this is my bias on pound or US dollar. For pound Australian dollar, like I said earlier, I expect price to reject within this zone and push higher. So I'll be focusing more on the buys on pound Australian dollar. For gold, we are expecting price to trade lower and give us a massive sell this coming week. So this is basically our expectation for this week. Please, if you like this content, click on the like button and hit the share button as well. If you are a new viewer, please do well to hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you never miss out of our content. Thank you very much. See you at the trading floor. Peace.